Ever wondered what happens to that sandwich you had for lunch? It's not magic, it's your incredible digestive system at work. Today, we're going on an epic journey from the first bite to the final stop, exploring how our bodies turn food into fuel. It's a fascinating process, full of twists, turns, and amazing biological machinery. So, grab a snack or maybe wait until after the video and let's dive into the world inside you. Our adventure begins in the mouth. As you chew your food, your teeth get to work, breaking it down into smaller, more manageable pieces. This is called mechanical digestion, but that's not all. Your salivary glands release saliva, which contains an enzyme called amylase. This powerful enzyme starts breaking down carbohydrates, like the bread from your sandwich, right away. So, even before you swallow, the chemical digestion process has already begun. Your tongue then pushes this mushy ball of food, now called a bolus, to the back of your throat, ready for the next stage. Next up, the esophagus. When you swallow, a small flap of tissue called the epiglottis closes over your windpipe to prevent food from going down the wrong way. The bolus then enters the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects your throat to your stomach. Food doesn't just fall down, it's pushed along by a series of wave-like muscle contractions called peristalsis. It's like a slow, controlled roller coaster ride for your food, ensuring it gets to its destination, no matter what position you and even if you upside down. This journey usually takes only a few seconds. Now, we've arrived at the stomach, a J-shaped muscular pouch. The stomach is a powerhouse of digestion. It churns and mixes the food with powerful gastric juices. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and an enzyme called pepsin. The acid is so strong it can kill most of the harmful bacteria that might have been on your food. It also creates the perfect environment for pepsin to start breaking down proteins like the turkey or cheese in your sandwich. After several hours of churning and mixing, the food is transformed into a thick, soupy liquid called chyme. A muscular valve at the bottom of the stomach, called the pyloric sphincter, then slowly releases this chyme into the next part of our journey. Welcome to the small intestine, the longest part of the digestive tract. It might be called small, but it's actually about 20 feet long. This is where the real magic of nutrient absorption happens. As the chyme enters the first part, the duodenum, it is mixed with digestive juices from two very important accessory organs, the pancreas and the liver. The pancreas secretes enzymes that break down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. The liver produces bile, which is stored in the gallbladder and released to help digest fats. Bile acts like a detergent, breaking up large fat globules into smaller droplets that are easier for enzymes to attack. As the chyme continues its journey through the rest of the small intestine, the jejunum, and the ileum, the broken down nutrients are ready to be absorbed. The inner walls of the small intestine are covered in millions of tiny, finger-like projections called villi, and even smaller projections on them called microvilli. These structures dramatically increase the surface area for absorption, making it incredibly efficient. Think of it like a vast, shaggy carpet designed to catch every last nutrient. Sugars, amino acids, fats, vitamins, and minerals pass through the walls of the small intestine and enter the bloodstream, which then transports them to all the cells in your body for energy, growth, and repair. It's an incredibly detailed and vital process. After the small intestine has extracted all the good stuff, what's left over moves into the large intestine, also known as the colon. This is the final major stop on our tour. The large intestine is shorter and wider than the small intestine, about 5 feet long. Its main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter and then pass useless waste material from the body. It's essentially the recycling and waste management center of the digestive system. The material entering the large intestine is a watery mixture, and by the time it reaches the end, most of the water has been reabsorbed, forming solid stool. The large intestine is also home to trillions of friendly bacteria, collectively known as the gut microbiome. This community of microorganisms is incredibly important for our health. They help to break down substances that our bodies can't digest on their own, like certain fibers. They also produce essential vitamins like vitamin K and some B vitamins and play a crucial role in our immune system. Maintaining a healthy balance of these gut bacteria is key to good overall health. So, be kind to your gut microbes, they work hard for you. Finally, the waste material, or stool, is stored in the rectum, the last section of the large intestine. When the rectum is full, it sends a signal to the brain, letting you know it's time to go to the bathroom. The waste is then eliminated from the body through the anus. And with that, the journey of your sandwich is complete. From a delicious meal to vital energy and, finally, to waste, the digestive system performs an incredible feat of engineering every single day. So, to recap, digestion starts in the mouth with chewing and saliva. The esophagus pushes food down to the stomach, where acids and enzymes break it down further. The small intestine, with help from the pancreas and liver, digests and absorbs the vast majority of nutrients. Finally, the large intestine absorbs water and prepares the waste for removal. It's a beautifully coordinated system that keeps us alive and thriving. I hope this journey through the digestive system has given you a new appreciation for the amazing work your body does 24/7. It's a complex and fascinating process that often goes unnoticed. What part of this journey did you find most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the wonders of the human body. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.